Hello, this is Dr.SUDARSAN bringing to you the latest in the series of psycho-educative videos which are aimed at raising awareness amongst the people as regards common mental health issues. Now you will notice that I have started by using the term issues, not problems, because these mental health issues are just like the physical health issues. So it's always better to seek timely intervention and not suffer in silence because of some stigma or the other. Today I'm going to briefly touch upon the concept of happiness and pleasure. You see, we mostly confuse happiness with pleasure. Pleasure is pleasure produced by a transmitter dopamine, and happiness is produced by the neurotransmitter chemically in our brain which transmits messages, called serotonin. Ironically, serotonin is an inhibitory neurotransmitter. In between dopamine, which is responsible for pleasure, and serotonin, which deals with happiness, there's a hormone known as cortisol, which is a stress hormone. It is produced whenever we suffer from stress. Now, we always think of taking shortcuts to happiness, but actually we end up taking shortcut to pleasure, which we confuse as happiness. So we do this internet gaming, gambling, online or offline, indulge in social media activities. Limited is good, unlimited of anything good is also bad. So unlimited social media involvement, so much so that if the mobile phone is taken away from a child, he or she gets violent and very much aggressive. So that is pleasure. And especially the teenagers, they are bound to confuse pleasure with happiness. But as adults, we are not the perfect role models to teach them. So seeing this video, you have to differentiate. You will learn to differentiate pleasure and happiness and teach your children also. Limited internet exposure is good, perhaps half an hour or 1 hour a day. Quality internet time, what we term as the quality screen time, like seeing educational videos on YouTube, the online classes, etc. These include quality screen time. And as far as entertainments are concerned, the child or the adult can devote half an hour to that. Apart from that, physical activities are very much essential. Like over here, I've indulged on a long walk in a wintry afternoon, and this is helping produce an endogenous, means produced within the body, opioid known as anandamide. Yes, it does produce ananda. Now we can walk and produce this anandamide, the endogenous opioid, or we can take the opium, take a shortcut, take opium, ganja, cocaine, and these also influence the same receptor, and we get, in case of anandamide, we get happiness. In this case, we get pleasure, which is actually harmful, because pleasure actually results from dopamine surge, which I've already said, and this dopamine surge overworks the neuron, especially the myelinated neurons, which are protected by myelin fatty sheet, okay, a layer. So that layer gets depleted, and ultimately the cell dies a death which is known as apoptosis. And as you know, as in case of the cardiac cells and also the nerve cells, these are irreversible. The cells can never be, regenerated. So instead of indulging in such quick fixes like taking alcohol, cigarette nicotine, cannabis, then cocaine, then excessive internet gaming, increase the physical activities, increase the cultivation of your hobbies, drawing, singing, etc., etc. Make your body move. This also strengthens your mind to a very great extent, helps you combat with stress without the aid of any medication. So till the next video comes in, do share, comment and like, and help me raise awareness in the society about common health issues and the simple solutions. Do subscribe to my channel too. Thank you.